In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Clash Royale no sound problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up Clash Royale and sign into your account. Then from here, we want to make sure to click onto Battle and then click on the three horizontal lines. From here, click on the settings gear icon. Now, inside of settings, look for audio. Here it is here. Click on audio. Now, as you can see, my music and SFX volume is turned off. So to do this, click on, make sure that's on and SFX is turned on like so. Now, the next fix is to swipe down on your mobile device. So I'm on an iPhone, so I'm going to swipe down again. Now, as you can see, my volume is muted. So to unmute it, just simply go ahead and drag that slider left to right, and now that's going to activate volume as well. Now, if you're still experiencing no sound issues, there's a few more fixes. So what we need to do is click and hold down Clash Royale, click onto I, then from here under storage, go ahead and clear cache. Now, also another fix, go ahead and click on app details in store and make sure the game is up to date. So click on update if it says update.